For all my audience, me and Shura fighted every day only because of knowledge. Because of that reason, he scratched my brain in that level actually. Only the reason is because of knowledge.
Currently, I'm sitting with Deepak, my good friend.
Yes.
He became my friend recently, and I got to know him via Google, to be specific, because I came across TCM because I'm currently in automobile service part sales. So I'm selling TCMs, and at times I'm required to do the programming and repair, of which I did not have the knowledge, and that's how I came to know the gentleman here on my left hand side, my good friend, as I've said before. Yeah, so I came on board. I was quite impressed because I'm a mechanical engineer by profession, and I'm more in maintenance and project management. So little knowledge did I have on automobile, but currently I can tell you with confidence. So I've learned at least now that we do key programming. Well, let me first start with the basics electronics that I didn't know on the board.
Yes.
Thus we talk of the MOSFETs, transistors, what we call the resistors, and I blend them in different way to say there is a variable and fixed and SMD. I didn't know all that. There we go to auto codes to understand the event before you go to the touch on any ECM.
Exactly.
Continuity, line tracking.
Yes.
Those are the basics that I've captured. And then my favorite tool that I recently bought from him as well, mostly for TCM and ECU, is Obidistar 706. That I've learned the pinout how to connect the diagrams. I've learned how to test communication through all those tools again, KTEC, KTM mostly, and Obidistar. Learn to do soldering, how to remove the component and put it back.
Exactly.
That starts with the power. I'm happy to have you guys, and forever will be family.
Yes.
We will. I know I did give you guys a tough time, but I'll give you more tough time over
Actually, to be frank, for all my audience, me and Shura fighted every day only because of knowledge. So if everyone is having that much interest, means this is a platform only Bhadra Electronics can give you the solutions in that level also. So I can give assurance in that level. Have a thinking capability that which tools will going to cover my expectation. As per my expectation, that tool will satisfy my work or not. That much confidence right now he is having. He is not in the trap. As per his own knowledge, he is moving. So that's the main self-decision we can take by this training actually. So we are not misguiding for someone to buy intentionally to purchase this product or that product. They should know the meaning and they should know the value of the products. Based on that knowledge only, they can go ahead. So this is what the thing, and I am giving my complete support for you and for your country also.
Thank you very much.
Please start immediately your work. In every day we will expect your calls and phones and messages also.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
And take care about your work and family also.
Thank you very much.
Yes. He took online training from Bhadra Electronics. It was possible actually, but he want hands-on training experience. That's why he traveled from Namibia to India. Only the reason is hands-on practice. The hands-on practice is very most important. So because of that reason, Shura is in India. So I think probably all my international students, if you are really having a automotive industry knowledge, means go with really with online classes. If you not have any knowledge about this automobile industry, means better my good suggestion, please come and take offline training only. So that was the review about Mr. Shura.